Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn a good amount of money from this very own website, and you do not require any skill and it's absolutely free. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and it's the most important website through which you can able to earn a passive income with a good amount. And please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I do recommend to subscribe it, because I'm going to give you these kind of techniques and websites through which you can earn online. So I should give you a complete description about this website, guys. So it's a website known as Teesprings. The link I have given in my description box, don't worry. So guys, what this website will do, you just need to create designs, and that is very easy. Okay, you just need to create designs, and this store will automatically sell your products online to the biggest countries like America, USA, Canada, and lots of countries. Okay, renowned countries, and all over the world. Worldwide, your store online is ready. Okay, you can see that, guys, how you can create it, bags, logos. Okay, I show you step by step how you can create it and sell it online. Just work from home, and it's the most you can say that easiest way through which you can earn money. Okay, so guys, you can see that covers, you can give designs to covers and leggings for ladies and all. Guys, you can post your designs to every aspect. Okay, you can create, and this website will do your affiliate marketing, your marketing strategies. This website will sell your products. Okay, you do not need to do anything. You just need to upload the design, and just that's it. Okay, so let's get started, guys. I'm just coming in this, and you can see that, guys, start designing. Okay, just click on this start designing, and you can see that, guys, we just need an email account. I just want to sign up first. Okay, just to name your account and password. Okay, just click on the sign up, and that's it, guys. Your store is on the process of create and sell, track my purchases, order my product. So let's get create and sell. Okay, just continue. Don't worry if you are not a designer, just click on designer. Okay, and just click continue. And name of the store, guys, I do recommend you to create your own store. Okay, I create mine, whatever is your name, and I just do recommend you to do not copy my store name, otherwise your account would be banned. Okay, because same name stores are not existing. Okay, so I just gave my name. Okay, so that's it, guys. We just need to do that simple thing. Okay, just simple thing, and we are here in this account. Okay, so guys, you can see that in the below section, go to dashboard. Okay, just go into the dashboard, and you can see that your store is now ready, guys. Within few seconds your store is ready. Okay, just now you need to import some product. Now you have to create your products. So I just click on this start designing. You can see that start designing, just click on this thing, and you can see, guys, you can design anything. Okay, you can design anything, pouches, phone covers and all, bags, t-shirts, leggings, whatever you need to design, you can design anything. So I'm just designing t-shirt. Okay, so start designing. I just click on this start designing. So guys, let me just give you that the actual price of the product is this, and what you give is $10. Okay, so guys, if I just calculate in the online calculator, okay, you can see that you are getting how much dollars. I just round off and say you that $10, guys, $10 from one t-shirt. Okay, and let us suppose 50 people will buy these t-shirts. Okay, so $500 in your pocket by just doing nothing. You just import the designs and that's it. I'll show you how you can do it, and this is from one product, guys. This is from one product, and there are lots of products that you can create. Okay, you do not need to add anything, you just need to just create it. I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, so this is your design. Okay, you can see the preview and you can see that this is front and this is back. Okay, just click on this. Okay, if you want to add some designs, guys, I just do recommend you to just have a look on this free logo designs.org. I just provide the link in the description box, don't worry. And you can see that you can take any category of these logos. Okay, any categories of these logos. You can see that you can choose this one. I just click on this thing and it's that simple, guys. Okay, if you want to change something on the other, you can do it very easily. Okay, this is my design. You can change the text, you can change the image. Okay, add text, add shape, add icon, add colors. Okay, you can do anything that you want. Okay, if I just want to add color, okay, you can change it from, you can see that it is automatically doing. Okay, if I want to save this logo, okay, just click on this save button. Okay, and you can see, guys, this is free, absolutely free. Just click on this download and you just need to provide your name and email ID. Okay, just click on this OK button and you can see that, just click on this download again. Now you can see, guys, it's just downloaded. Okay, just refresh the page and you can see that your image is downloaded. Okay, I just open in this folder and I'll show you. Here is your file, guys. Okay, you can see that how it looks like. Okay, my logo is created. You can see it's very easy, guys. Okay, so I just need to do just importing. So I just need to add image. Okay, you can see that I have designed these things. Okay, I just need to just stretch it and just pull it wherever I just need to do it. Okay, in front I just post it and you can see the preview. Bingo, guys, it's very easy, guys, it's very easy. You can do lot of things with this and you can create your own designs by just posting it on, just Control C and just create it and I just add another one. Okay, so if I need to add it on backside as well, so you can see that I can do it. Okay, I don't open it. Okay, so I just clear it all. Okay, so it's very easy, guys, very easy. Okay, you can see the preview. Okay, now you can see the preview, so anyone foodie will buy this thing. Okay, so you can see that at the front, at the back. Okay, you can do whatever color combinations if you want. You can see the yellow. Okay, it gave a cheesy look. Okay, and you can create a lot of t-shirts out there. Just click done and just click continue, guys. Okay, So guys, there is a error in this image quality. Okay, if you just want a high resolution image, I just do recommend you to visit a website, Unsplash. Okay, if there is an error in this resolution, you can find out different textures and backgrounds. You can see that and wallpapers as well as different kind of images as well in this. If I just want to download this, I just download it, and you can see that I can do it on this. I just delete it and just import it. Okay, if there is any error, okay, in the image quality, so it is showing me these kind of things. So wait a second, I just open it and just try to drag it. Is it dragging? No, it's not. Yes, it is. Okay, you can see that I can add these images. Okay, you can add different types of pics, images on this, and you can able to do some more cropping if you know the Photoshop as well. Okay, if you add text, guys, I just do recommend you to add some text. Okay, so you have seen that we can add some text as well. Okay, to create it more good quality. Wait, I just write light. Okay, so you can do whatever you want to do. Motivational, if you want to add motivational thoughts as well as some more, so you can add in this way. You can see that it looks like it looks good. Okay, it looks good. Okay, if you add some more things as well, you can take whatever image that you want and you just add quotes. So guys, you can add quotes. Okay, you can see that free quotes if I add. Okay, then you can see that, guys, you can add these quotes as well. Okay, so somewhat on the other, people are also buying these quotes as well. To be free, you have to let it go. So you can create a background like this, okay, and just post it, and it's really very simple, guys, very simple, in order to make a good amount of money. And just click on this continue. You can see, guys, it has created a good amount. Okay, you can see that it will automatically created its own styles. Okay, all the accessories as well, as you do not need to do anything. It just takes some time to load. Okay, and just automatically do some styles as well. Okay, you can able to, if you want to modify it, you can also do it. Okay, if you don't like these things, so you can also do the modification. I just click on this design and you can do the modification. Okay, if you don't like that, okay, just click on this thing and you can do some modifications as well. So it's very cool, guys, and you can see the preview now. It's okay, so you can just play around with this, and you can have a fun with these kind of things. Now you can see that it's good, it's pretty good. Leggings and all, you can see that it's ultimately create a good impact on all of our products, and you do not need to do anything. You just get these income $10 and automatically it will on your store. Just click on continue and your store is ready, guys. Okay, so it's a good way to earn money, guys. I don't want you to spend a penny from your and just give a title, okay, of your image. Okay, light t-shirt. Okay, just gave a description, short description, like beautiful. t-shirt. Okay, just give some description and everything looks fine. Okay, just click on this publish button and you can see that generated products image for your listing, saved all the products images. Okay, and your online store is now live, guys. Your online store is live now. Anyone can buy these things, and you can see that, guys, if any purchase that you should do, that some others will do, that will automatically connect it to your account. Okay, I just click on this payouts, and if some money is happening, guys, it will automatically do some credits. Okay, you can see the analysis of how many users are visiting this website and to your logos. So I do recommend you to have more search on your guys, keywords part. Okay, just have a look. Just lots and lots of images it is having. So if this logo is not of good quality, guys, don't worry, you can have other pictures as well. I just do recommend you to have visited in Unsplash, because it is absolutely free, guys, and there is no copyright issue in this website, so you can hang out and just try to make things happen. Okay, I just show you one flaws as well, that if your logo quality is bit ambiguous, then don't worry, you can choose a high quality image. Okay, there are lots and lots of people, business, works, technology, people are more excited about these. You can see that, guys, if you just crop certain these images, high quality images, you can able to generate a good quality products as well. Okay, just put some logos on that and you are ready to go. You do not have to spend a penny, and it's a passive way of earning. Okay, people are earning good amount, guys. If you are earning, I just told you that if you have sell 50 products from, if one t-shirt, 50 users are there. Okay, and there are millions and millions of users out there in Tree Springs. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys, if you like this video, just hit the bell icon and just do subscribe to this channel, so that I can make more business opportunities for you and give you some investment strategies as well. And write down in your comment section what is your experience with this website. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.